Communities in WhatsApp is one of the biggest feature updates that the app had in a while. The new organizational feature makes handling multiple groups easier and also lets the admins coordinate between members in a more efficient way. WhatsApp Communities is rolling out to all users now, which appears as a separate tab on the main screen and replaces the camera icon, which is now moved to the top bar near to search button. To create a WhatsApp community, one should click on the Community tab and then tap on the Start Your Community icon. Enter a name, description, and profile picture for the community. Once done, you will be entered in the community window. Here you can now create or add groups. Both will have a dedicated button. If you are adding existing groups, you need to be an admin of those groups. In the list of groups, you will also see one group by default, which is called an announcement group. Once done, just tap on the tick mark on the bottom right and your community will be ready. When you add existing or new groups to a community, all members in the groups are also added to the announcement group of that community. Making announcements. As an admin of the community, users will be able to send messages to all the individual groups of the community as well as to the announcement group. Any texts sent in the announcement group will be broadcasted to all the groups in the community and its members as well. This is applicable to media files, documents, and voice notes also. Hope you got some idea about this new feature.